Hello everyone, this is Zach here from TradeBSA. So today, this video here, I'd like to share with you a few of the counters that I think still a lot of people are interested, and definitely there's some sort of like a excitement movement, okay, after a showing of 3-bar pullbacks, okay, recently. So this is definitely from glove. Okay, if you haven't watched my previous video regarding some of the glove counters, please you can go back to my channel and watch again. Okay, so definitely expected pullback successfully, mostly coming hourly chart. But today we're going to look into more on the daily chart because the daily chart seems like showing few of the very obvious sound strength. Okay, so today we're going to pick 4 to 5 counters to focus. Okay, first I got top glove. Okay, so top glove kind of high volume, background come with green pentagons, and what we have now is the NS. Okay, of course, at the moment where I do this video here, this is on 21st July. Okay, hopefully I'm getting this correctly. Okay, yesterday is 21st July, and now it's the lunchtime around 12:30. Okay, so far it's still a very valid NS over here. Okay, again, NS need to be in the correct place. Okay, so most of the time what I do is that I ensure there's green pentagon or above 2040. Okay, so there's a main important things. Okay, so example, let's say NS on here, usually it's just not going to work because it's still technically is a downtrend. Okay, but bear in mind, top glove overall still below 40 MA. Okay, so let's look into the hourly chart in case you want to look for a quick trade or what we call the white ball trades. Okay, so obviously there's a change of trend based on the hourly chart short term time frame. Crossing trend 40, low volume touches a solid on 20s, and today we got some sort of like a increasing volume coming in. Okay, so the other one that I'm more interested definitely is Supermax. I think for those that follow my 3 p.m. section, okay, we talk about Supermax, K plus Roborex a lot of time. Okay, and today finally, okay, it crossed the 40 MA. So far at the moment, we are getting 10% from today. Okay, again, NS over here. So this is haven't closed by end of today, but so far it's an NS. All right, so for those that who already in this trade, remember to continue to pay attention to the hourly chart. Okay, so what we have in hourly chart, first NS above 2040s. Okay, green pentagon confirmation, another one. So this is the one that actually it trying to like make a shakeout on Monday. Okay, but today seems like pretty good, turning back to green panel again. Okay, to confirm back the NS sign. Okay, from the 2040s area. Okay, so K plus also pretty good. It comes with certainly there's a NS and it's a double NS in the background tube. Okay, so first of all, let's look back into the daily chart. Okay, daily chart there's no NS, but pullback completed successfully. Breaking above 2040 now seems like heading to the resistance. Okay, volume is pretty good. Okay, I don't see any weakening so far from the chart. So let's look into hourly. So of course they are breaking pretty far. I can say pretty far, but it's far, slightly far from the 20 MA. All right, so probably you want to choose if you miss out some of the glove movement here, probably you want to select those that is still very close to NS. Okay, again, I kind of feel comfortable when I trade near with NS. Okay, so for example here, okay, or maybe this is the best one. Okay, to ensure that your risk that you are taking is low. So again, for those that who don't know what's NS, okay, again go back to my channel. There's one live section I do talk about what is NS and how you're going to utilize it. Okay, when there is a good NS from your chart. Okay, so Roborex, pretty good 3 NS together in the same place. Okay, of course this is a slightly better and quality one. Green Pentagon cross 20 now heading to 40. Okay, volume increasing so far. We got 8% movement. Okay, so 1 NS, 2 NS. Again, hourly chart showing the same things. NS tested successfully. Green Pentagon in the background, sound strength in the background. All right. So last one before we go, again, I think most of the glove counters technically they are almost the same, just that depending on which counter they entered. Okay, I entered slightly far from 2040s. In case they pull back, they are the one that hit first. Like for example, right, last week, if I'm not mistaken, Friday or Monday, we got a small pullback. Okay, but Roborex is just holding well above support. Okay, so there's a there's a few things that probably want to look into. Okay, so convert is the same thing still. We got the NS. Okay, we got the NS in daily chart, cross trend 40s, hourly, NS. Okay, so tons of NS in the glove. Okay, I just covered 5 today. Okay, so members, make sure you check other related counters. I don't think it's only glove, but some of the healthcare counters are making the same and similar setups. Okay, so make sure you check your hour chart again to ensure that your entry is good. Okay, low risk. Okay, then you want to look for the trades on the particular counters. All right. So good luck, all the best for those that who are watching right now. If you think that this video here is helpful for you, please make sure give us a thumbs up in your videos and help me to subscribe to this channel. Okay, and again, a reminder, this is not a buy call. I'm not asking you to buy or sell. Just a pure education based on bull and spread analysis. Okay, so with this, I will see you in the next video.